Dupini. In Alaska's frozen wilderness, peace shatters in seconds. A dog is trapped in the crushing grip of a giant snake.
What starts as a calm day in Alaska quickly becomes a nightmare. A playful dog finds itself in the wild frontier. Danger hides in every shadow. A giant snake strikes. Not all heroes wear capes. In Alaska's wilderness, a brave rescue unfolds when, in the blink of an eye, playtime turns into a deadly encounter. Alaska's wild frontier. Alaska's frozen land hides both beauty and danger. When a giant snake coils around a helpless dog, in Alaska's frozen frontier, danger strikes without warning. A helpless dog faces a giant snake's deadly.
Every second counts when life hangs in the balance. A helpless dog is trapped in a giant snake's deadly grip.
Deep in Alaska's wilderness, a helpless dog meets nature's deadliest predator. Yet in the fight between fear and courage,